to the second edition of ET Media and Entertainment Summit 2026. The hall is packed, the audience energy is palpable, and the first session is underway. So stay tuned, follow us on social media, LinkedIn, X, and Facebook, and get the latest updates by following ETMES.